guys, you're welcome. Let's cook some eru today from the southwest region menu. First of all, I have my meat in my pot, and then I'm going to add some cow skin or kanda, and then my smoked or dried fish in the pot. Then I'm going to season with salt and seasoning powder. That's it. I'm not adding any water. I'm just going to put it on fire, and then the water that comes out drains from the meat is going to cook it until it gets dried. Then I have my water leaf. I'm going to select it and slice it in a bowl. That's my water leaf. After slicing, I'm just putting in a lot of water. I'm going to wash it about 2 or 3 times, and then just put it in a strainer to make sure that most of the water gets out. It's hard to get all of the water out. That's my protein in the pot. All the water is almost finished. Then I'm going to add my water leaves there and just boil. See, that's my water leaf is boiling. I'm just going to boil it and make sure that there's not a lot of water left. Then I have my eru. I'm going to pour in boiled water inside. I'm going to wash it with boiled water, and then after doing that, I'm going to see there's still some water in the water leaf. I'm going to make sure most of the water dries up, and then I'm going to add my eru. I don't know how to call this in most Nigerians. I'm not ogazi, I think so. The scientific name is Netum africanum. So, and then water leaf, the scientific name for water leaf is Talinum triangulaire. Yeah, I'm a botanist, that's why. I put in my palm oil and just stir, and then I have my cubes, my Maggi crevette, and yep, that's my crayfish, the most important spice here. A lot of crayfish in your area is going to be just mwah. You see my arrow, look at that. We enjoyed it on Easter Day. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep coming back. Bye bye.